You can go to ClickBank, for instance, get your affiliate link for free, and you can start promoting your favorite product. I know you understand this. But Patrick, what is the best way to start affiliate marketing for free? And the answer is... Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen, and in this video I'm going to share with you the best way to start affiliate marketing for free, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. If you are doing Amazon FBA or Kindle publishing, there is always some upfront cost. You have to invest into product first, test it out, and if you happen to be successful, you get your investment back along with some profits. But with affiliate marketing, you can start practically for free. You can find some products you like, you are passionate about, or you have some experience with it. You can go to ClickBank, for instance, get your affiliate link for free, and you can start promoting your favorite product. I know you understand this. But Patrick, what is the best way to start affiliate marketing for free? And the answer is start a YouTube channel. That's it. It's completely free to start a YouTube channel. Maybe you are thinking, I'm shy, I don't want to be on the camera. You have no excuse. Do you want the best way? YouTube is the best way. It's the best way to get started with affiliate marketing. Look, people don't judge as much as you think. If you don't want to show your face, it's completely fine. You can do animated videos and start your affiliate marketing journey that way. I'm gonna show you some example inside Builderall how you can start with animated videos. I'm logged into my Builderall account. If you don't know what Builderall is, it's basically an all-in-one tool for your online business. It has sales funnels, email marketing, you can build your own websites with this tool, and Builderall also offers other apps and add-ons. If you want to learn more about Builderall, I will put a link in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Anyways, I go to these videos and then I click on animated videos. This is a test project, and as you can see on the right side below this library, you can add different animated characters. You can also add static characters, animated object, different faces, image holders, and so on. You can choose whatever you like. You can also play with different texts, backgrounds, images, or music. If you don't know how it exactly works, Builderall has lots of tutorial videos you can check out once you log in, so you can figure that out pretty easily. But if you are committed and you don't care about showing your face, you automatically gain more trust. So, why YouTube? YouTube is video advertising, and this is the most effective form of marketing nowadays, and it will be in the future. You can sell people through your video, and it is much easier. You are building trust faster than from a blog post, Facebook, or email marketing. And the best part? YouTube gets you views. The better videos you make, the more people will see them. But why? YouTube wants a good user's experience, and if you are uploading consistently and sharing your videos on social media, you get more exposure. In addition, YouTube will drive more people to your videos if they are good. YouTube can make it a suggested video, and over time you get more organic traffic. You will get more views, more subscribers, and therefore YouTube will increase impressions for your videos and you get even more organic traffic. People who are searching it on YouTube or Google, this is all organic traffic, which means free traffic for you. And it is endless loop that will grow like a snowball. You just have to be patient and trust the process. You can also do some free methods like sharing on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or even some paid methods. Just go to fiverr.com and type bookmarking or how to rank YouTube video on Google. If you have some extra money, you can increase your views by purchasing those services if you want to. You can also start a personal brand on YouTube. What is personal brand? It is a showcase of your highlights, failures, successes, and basically your journey, how you started and how you are doing now. So start a YouTube channel now. This is honestly the best way for affiliate marketing. If you invest in your microphone, in your camera, and do quality videos, and you practice and make better videos over time, you will see the results. You see what works, what doesn't work, and if you are enjoying your YouTube journey, it will become a part of your daily life. you will start making money with affiliate marketing and earn a full-time income. Videos sell people so much easier than some advertisements or landing pages. After you've made your decision to start a YouTube channel, start uploading videos on the channel that are related to affiliate marketing. Create consistent content that will promote affiliate products through your YouTube channel. You can do different reviews or comparisons of products or services. You can also make step-by-step tutorials which people love to watch. In addition, you can promote tools for products you are using, such as Jungle Scout if you are familiar with Amazon FBA, or email marketing services such as Aweber or GetResponse. Or Builderall, which I showed you guys earlier. There is a tool for animated videos, and this is a great way, honestly. However, it's important to provide value and show them all the benefits of the product or service you are promoting and why it's good for them. You can show them how it helped you so far and how it can help them as well. Do not wait. Take action today, because 1 year passes so fast and you will be telling yourself, I wish I started a year ago. So when do you want to start? Today. Now it's the time to start affiliate marketing for free. YouTube is the best way and you have no excuses. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out Builderall or more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.